Here is a simple guide on how to properly perform a squat, perfect for beginners. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and toes pointed out about 10 and 2 o'clock position. This angle can be adjusted based on your anatomy but serves a good starting point. Bring your hands together in front of you and then begin to squat down until the outside of your elbows touch the inside of your knees. Ensure that your knees are following the direction of your toes, and don't worry if your knees go over your toes. Your goal is to lower yourself until the crease of your hips are below the tops of your knees. This is the ideal squat depth. Throughout the squat, try and maintain a nice straight back. If you find it challenging to reach the required depth, consider using a chair or a box to assist you as you work on your strength and mobility. When using a chair, be cautious about sitting back into it, as this can shift your centre of mass behind your midfoot. Instead, try lightly touching the box or chair with your glutes before standing back up. Gradually use shorter objects as you gain strength. Repeat the squat cycle, progressively aiming for deeper squats until you are able to perform them without assistance. Once you've mastered bodyweight squats, you can transition into using a barbell. Place the barbell on your upper back, resting on top of your traps. Avoid the bony part of your neck for comfort. Keeping your hands closer to your shoulders will tighten your back, though this may cause discomfort within your shoulders, elbows or wrists. Conversely, position your hands further away from your shoulders increases stability with the bar but reduces the tightness of your back. As you squat, imagine bending the bar over your back, which will help keep your upper and lower back engaged. Focus on your knee position in relation to your feet. Your knees should move in the same direction as your toes, and it is acceptable for them to go slightly over your toes, but if your knees collapse inwards, it may indicate inactive glutes or collapsing arches in your feet. Address these issues before attempting to lift heavier weights. Remember, feet shoulder width apart, pointed out at 10 and 2. Keep your back tight, aim to sink your hips below the tops of your knees. Remember, practice makes perfect. With a little time and dedication, you'll be rocking those squats in no time. Have fun and enjoy the journey.